Heading toward the closing bell and helping us get there are Jay Hatfield, InfraCap Founder, CEO, and Portfolio Manager. We've also got Andrew Mies, Meridian Chief Investment Officer. Good to have both of you here, but right now we want to check in with Jared Blickery to see where these markets are going to settle. Jared?
Yeah, well, we got the Dow in the red now, but tech is flying, and so are some other sectors. Let's take a look at them. Nasdaq 100, or Nasdaq Composite, off of its highs, but was able to make new session highs in the final hour of trading. And we can see it's been a largely productive day for tech here. And we take a look inside the Nasdaq 100, the mega caps very strong to set the stage for this Super Bowl of earnings week. And Amazon up 2%. This story is really gaining traction that they may be about to do a stock split, so that 3,409 stock price becomes, well, maybe 500, something like that, a little bit more manageable. Also checking in on Tesla, we're going to get those earnings for you in just a minute. You can see that's up about 1% today, still in the middle of its trading range over the last couple of months. So this could be an important inflection point for the EV automaker. And we're also going to check in on the travel space one more time, because we saw American Airlines up 4%, Delta up over 1.5%. on the reopening. And let's just take a look at a smaller time frame chart here. This is over the last 5 days. So you can see getting a nice bid off of those lows from last week. Also checking in on the sector action of the day. We can see now energy is in the lead, along with materials, tech, discretionary, and financials. So lots of outperformers today, nothing moving too big, maybe staples to the downside here. That's off more than 1%. Also utilities, healthcare, and industrials rounding out the bottom laggards here. But we got a little bit more time, so let's check out the meme stocks, because we're seeing a lot of positive action in this space again today. We have Naked Brands, that's up 27%, AMC up more than 10, GameStop, the poster boy or poster child for this entire movement, that's up 11%. So really seeing some interesting things happen with the hot money flows today. And just with a few seconds to go, we're going to check out crypto stocks as well, because those are having a decent day after that washout we saw overnight in Bitcoin, guys.
All right, Jared Blickery, thanks so much. That does it for today's trading day. Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq closing. Although it's a bit of a mixed picture, we have the Nasdaq leading the way. Jared was just mentioning some of the strength that we saw in some of those tech names, with the Nasdaq closing up just around 0.9%, so just shy of that 1% level. Travel and reopening plays also catching a bid today. Dow, though, you can see closing off 61 points, so closing off its lows of the day, but being dragged down by names like Procter & Gamble, off just around 2%, Walmart and Coca-Cola, the worst performing names in the Dow today. Consumer staples was the underperformer sector-wise, off just over 1%.